Hi, I'm Melissa Killingbeck, the Curriculum Manager for the Positivity Project and a former P2 principal from Michigan. Project-based learning provides students with an opportunity to take what they're learning about the character strengths and apply them to the real world. Hovering over this project-based learning tab, you will see options to select P2, PBL-HOW to, as well as the PBL library. When selecting PBL-HOW to, you will go to the next page. This page provides some background on how to implement P2 PBL projects within your classroom. The PBL How To page provides examples of step-by-step how to implement P2's PBL units within your classroom. Our PBL library includes over 30 different differentiated K through 12 project-based learning activities.